Welcome back to my channel. So I just got this soldering station here, and I'm doing sort of an unboxing with it. It's actually the Turnigy 6-arm soldering station with USB fan. It was on a deal on their Cyber Days this last week. I think I got it for like $21, but with shipping it was still I think ended up being like 27 bucks. I know that Realacc has one of these, and I think they're usually around 35 bucks, so I figure I got a pretty good deal there. So let's take a look at it. So you got this nice little manual here, I guess, shows you how to put it together. Oops. Let's see. Yep. Turnigy power system. So it gives you little diagrams of how to put it together. Alright, so we got some arms here. We're going to get everything laid out. That's a little hefty stand there, so that should hold it pretty steady on the table. We got our arms all wrapped up. So we got these. First package here we got, looks like our base pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 base pieces here. We got our clamps here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that one. Hopefully we got another one in this one. It must be the one for the fan. Holds the fan on. Which I don't know if I'm going to use a fan or not, but there's a little fan here. Right there. Looks like it's zip tied on, maybe? I don't know. But there's that one with the fan on it. Alright, so it looks pretty simple, self-explanatory to put together. Screw these in here. Here, it's just pop these in. Takes a little bit of force. I guess I'm gonna want the fan one in the back. Let's see here. Not too difficult to get in once you get a good angle at them, but there we go. You may make sure they're all nice and tight in. It does look like they are do have little rubbered ends here, so That should keep some of your heat when you're soldering from dissipating into the metal here, hopefully. Um, Pretty stiff wherever they end up staying. So for an example, if I wanted to just have my little way over here when I'm getting ready to solder here, just a little old flight controller here, stiff clamps on here, but yeah, that's going to turn out to do pretty good. Let's see, little wobbly though when you hit the table though, but what do you expect? But you could easily change your angle here, or maybe even take and put two on there if you really want to get a little bit stiffer here. Still going to bounce a little bit, but so let's see exactly how much weight these things can hold. Out. That right there is going to tip it over, but should be able to do. Well, I mean, you're not going to need to hold a whole quad, most likely, but it looks like that when I set these on top of here, is the base going to tip before the arms move? Yeah, it looks like it will, so that's probably pretty good. We could probably, if we really wanted to, we could move these out like this. Let's see here. Yep, it will hold a quad up in the air, so I think they're going to stay pretty stiff wherever you put them, so that's good. Seems to be alright. So it's kind of my first look at this soldering. It's not necessarily a soldering station, even though they call it a 6-arm soldering station with USB fan from Hobby King. Like I said, I think ACC makes 1, 2. I'll leave links to both of them in the description below. But thanks for watching,